In this video, I'll show you how you can change your time zone in Windows 11. So first you want to go ahead and go to the Windows icon in the bottom left hand corner. Once you've clicked on that, you then need to head over to settings. So it might be in the pinned apps. If not, you can just go to the search bar and type in settings, but you need to head over to settings, right? Now, once you're here, you can then go ahead and go to time and language. So click on that and it will then give you the option to change your date and time. So click here. Then you will have a setting called set time zone automatically. Now, if you want to change the time zone, you need to uncheck that and it will now ask you what time zone you want to change it to. So I'm going to change mine to, let's say, the Eastern time zone. We can click on that and we can also adjust for daylight saving time as well. Then you've got set time automatically. And what that will do is it will change the time and set it automatically. So you can see our time zone has been changed to the Eastern time zone and the time has been set automatically. If you're having any issues, you want to go ahead and sync now and that should clear all your issues. That's all you need to do. I hope that helped you out.